Okay, just gonna do record a couple of videos. The first one to discuss about part A and B, what I want you to write down and so on, and the second one will be on part C. Not really help you a lot, but hopefully provide you some guidance in the next 1 week or so. Okay, in part A, yes, I do want you to do use a vector approach. Some of you asked me. Yes, I don't want you to use the method describe the textbook or the method that we practice in classroom. We record one of the days. I want you to do it in vector form, and in the process you discover some pattern. I'm not going to tell you what, and with that pattern you can actually attack part or rather question 2, 3, 4 and 5 and so on. So yes, I do want them to be in vector form. And when I talk about discussing or commenting on this one, I'm not asking you to actually ask you to find the values also, and also to talk about in general and also in particular what's so special about those the curve and the point when the t equivalent to these three values. You can talk about something more general too, I don't mind. And so maybe 2-3 pages you should be done with part A, because let me scroll down here. You should come to this. Okay, yes, the C also. I mean question 6. Yes, I want to use vector also. It could be very long if you don't know the pattern, but then that's for you to discover. And finally, actually quite a number of you asked me about this problem 7. Yes, do we have to actually prove this? Yes, it's not really that difficult if you know the trick. And then so maybe about 3 pages or even 4 pages, whether you type or you write, you should be done by then. And then in part B, okay, let me stop here. Okay, so the D represents your day of birth. So you're born on the 2nd of October, your D will be 2. The October is the month 10, so M will be equal to 10. Okay, so you should be generating your own thing using the formula that you develop in part A, and then after that you can or you can use the textbook one, doesn't matter, and use technology, whatever technology doesn't matter to me, but I want to see how you sketch it and describe briefly how you did that. Okay. Also, yeah, the questions 10 and 11, yeah, this is basically what we learned to prepare for the test 3. We already assessed this already. I just want you to show me how you do it. You see, you don't have to do long-winded calculation. Make sure the logic is there as long as and people can understand. That's fine. And then some of you, actually quite a number of you, asked me what's this TK. Well, TK is just an unknown representation. So that means you just replace T with TK, and then it means your answer will contain TK. That's all. And finally, yeah, quite a number of you also mentioned that, whoa, this is very long. Yes, it is, but there's a trick to this. If you know the trick, then you'll be quite short. If you don't know, yes, you will need half a page or even more. But then, yes, you need to differentiate this if you understand the idea of speed and the speed of animation. And basically, it's finding fastest. Fastest is also synonymous with minimum or maximum. You get the idea, right? And so part A and B, maybe you just need 5, 6, 7 pages, 8 at most, I think, whether you type or write. Just the key is actually I don't need you to write really lengthy solution. When you start to see pattern, you can skip steps, and then as long as the logic is there, explain a bit, and then that's it.